What if I tell you this simple camera can act like a smart security guard? The moment someone crosses the line, it detects alerts and captures evidence automatically. Today, I will show you how to build a boundary line intrusion detection system that monitors an area live and instantly react when someone enters a restricted zone. In schools, labs, offices, and restricted areas, we often need smart monitoring, not just CCTV. A normal camera records everything, but this system understands where a person is allowed and where they are not. So let's see how we can build this project step by step. First, open the Arduino IDE and load the ESP32 code. Now carefully enter your network IP address in the server name section. Once that's done, upload the code to the ESP32 So first of all, we will create a folder named Zone Monitor. You can also give it any other name you prefer. Inside this folder, we will create another folder called Violations. All the images will be saved here whenever an intruder is detected. After that, we will create a text file and name it server.py so that it is saved with the Python extension. Now we open the Tony IDE and copy the Python code. Then paste it into the editor. Here you can see different types of libraries. First, we will install these libraries by going to Tools and then click on Manage Libraries. First, search for Flask and install it. I have already installed it. Next, we will install NumPy. Then open cv-python and finally Ultralytics. As you can see, I have already installed all these libraries. Make sure you install them one by one so everything works perfectly. This is a super important to run our YOLO model smoothly. After installing all the required libraries, now it's time to run our project. Click on Run Current Script. And as soon as the code starts running, you will see an IP address appear at the bottom. To see the live video stream, simply open your web browser and enter the address. Once you do that, our real-time zone monitoring system will start displaying the live feed. As you can see, I have securely placed the ESP32 cam on the wall using glue, and it's now perfectly positioned for monitoring. The moment we power up the ESP32 cam, the live stream goes online and real-time monitoring begins. As you can see on the screen, the live video feed is running smoothly, and there is a yellow boundary line in the center. This line divides the area into two zones, the safe zone on one side and the prohibited zone on the other side. Right now, everything is safe. No one has crossed the boundary, and the system shows a safe status. Now slowly move into prohibited zone. The moment I cross the boundary line, the system instantly detect person, change the status to prohibited, and capture the image automatically. Not just one image. The system intelligently save multiple snapshots with date and time, so no data is lost or overwritten. Every violation is recorded as proof, making this system very useful for real-world security applications. At the same time, you can clearly see the warning message displayed on the screen, along with the bounding boxes around the detected person. This confirms that our AI model server and ESP32 cam are all working together perfectly. As soon as I move back into the safe zone, the system returns to safe mode and the monitoring continues without interruption. This image is automatically saved. No human monitoring is required. Now let's check the evidence. Open the zone monitor folder. Go inside the violation folder. And as you can see, every time the boundary was crossed, the system automatically captured and saved the images with the timestamps. This kind of system can be used in restricted areas, labs, offices, borders, and smart surveillance projects. And the best part, it is built using ESP32 cam, Python, and AI based object detection. If you like this testing and want to see more real time AI security projects, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell because the next project is going to be even more powerful. Thanks for watching.